2025, the Mouth GTX has emerged as one of the most talked about innovations in the industry. Gamers and tech enthusiasts alike are eager to explore the capabilities of this new piece of hardware, which promises to revolutionize the way we experience video games. From its powerful GPU architecture to its compatibility with next-gen gaming titles, the Mouth GTX is making waves in the gaming community, and for good reason. One of the standout features of the Mouth GTX is its unprecedented graphical performance. Built with cutting-edge ray tracing capabilities, the GPU enhances lighting, reflections, and shadows to create hyper-realistic environments. Games that support this technology appear more lifelike than ever before, blurring the line between the digital and real world. The improved AI-driven upscaling also ensures that even lower-resolution games look stunning on high-definition displays, making it a versatile option for gamers across various platforms. Performance benchmarks for the Mouth GTX showcase its ability to handle even the most demanding titles at ultra-high settings. With frame rates exceeding 120 FPS in many AAA games at 4K resolution, it is clear that this GPU is designed for serious gamers who prioritize smooth gameplay and visual fidelity. Additionally, its innovative cooling system prevents overheating, allowing for long gaming sessions without performance throttling. The introduction of a new adaptive fan speed mechanism ensures that the system remains quiet under low loads while ramping up cooling power when needed. Another major talking point surrounding the Mouth GTX is its compatibility with VR and AR gaming. As the industry continues to expand into immersive experiences, the demand for hardware capable of rendering detailed virtual worlds is higher than ever. With enhanced VRAM and AI-enhanced rendering techniques, the Mouth GTX delivers a seamless experience in virtual reality, minimizing motion sickness and improving overall immersion. This makes it an attractive option for gamers looking to explore the latest VR headsets without worrying about hardware limitations. For streamers and content creators, the Mouth GTX provides significant advantages in terms of video processing and encoding. With built-in support for high-efficiency video coding, HEVC, and AV1 encoding, streamers can broadcast high-quality content without excessive strain on their system. This is particularly beneficial for those who run resource-intensive applications while streaming, such as live editing software or real-time overlays. The GPU's AI-enhanced background removal and noise reduction also contribute to a professional streaming experience, making it a top choice for aspiring and established content creators alike. The gaming industry is also benefiting from the Mouth GTX's advanced machine learning capabilities. AI-driven optimizations ensure that games run efficiently, dynamically adjusting performance settings to match the user's hardware configuration. This results in better resource management, allowing even older systems to run modern titles with improved stability. Developers can also take advantage of AI-powered texture enhancement, which upscales lower-resolution assets to create sharper and more detailed visuals without requiring additional processing power. Another key selling point is the energy efficiency of the Mouth GTX. With concerns over power consumption and environmental impact, GPU manufacturers have been working toward making their products more sustainable. The Mouth GTX utilizes a refined fabrication process that reduces energy consumption without compromising performance. This means gamers can enjoy top-tier graphics without significantly increasing their electricity bills. The inclusion of an eco mode further optimizes power usage by lowering clock speeds during less demanding tasks, making it an all-around efficient piece of hardware. When it comes to pricing and availability, the Mouth GTX has positioned itself as a premium option within the GPU market. While it may not be the most budget-friendly choice, The performance gains justify the investment for those looking to future-proof their gaming setups. Early adopters have already reported positive experiences, praising its smooth gameplay, impressive rendering speeds, and overall reliability. Retailers have struggled to keep up with demand, indicating that the GPU has been well received by the gaming community. The Mouth GTX is also shaping the future of competitive gaming and esports. With its low latency and high refresh rate capabilities, professional players can gain a competitive edge by experiencing faster response times and smoother animations. Esports organizations have started integrating this GPU into their setups, ensuring that players can perform at their best without hardware limitations holding them back. The enhanced AI-driven anti-aliasing further refines in-game visuals, reducing jagged edges and improving clarity in fast-paced environments. Despite all of its advantages, some users have raised concerns about the initial driver optimizations. As with any new hardware release, there are occasional compatibility issues that need to be addressed through firmware updates. However, the manufacturer has been proactive in rolling out patches to improve stability and ensure a seamless gaming experience. The Mouth GTX community has also been actively sharing tips and tweaks to maximize performance, demonstrating the enthusiasm surrounding this new GPU. Looking ahead, the Mouth GTX is likely to influence upcoming hardware innovations. Competing brands are already working on rival products that aim to match or surpass its capabilities, which could lead to even more powerful GPUs in the near future. The advancements in AI-driven rendering, VR integration, and power efficiency seen in the Mouth GTX set a new standard for what gamers can expect from future hardware releases. Overall, the Mouth GTX is a game-changer in the world of graphics processing. Its combination of raw power, AI-enhanced features, and VR compatibility makes it one of the most exciting releases of 2025. Whether you are a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply appreciates breathtaking visuals, this GPU offers something for everyone. As the industry continues to evolve, the Mouth GTX serves as a testament to how far gaming technology has come and hints at an even more exciting future for graphics innovation.